It's me, PewDiePie. Edward has asked me to make a how to make a Mattman video. First, download and install Windows Movie Maker. You should now be able to open Movie Maker. Agree to the terms and conditions. Drag the two images you wish to use for this video. This is important as it needs to look like a slideshow. Add a title. I'm calling mine a Mattman 2230 a video. Resize the title if you need and choose an epic effect at the top. If you want to go the extra mile, add the director and cast list. I wouldn't usually recommend it as Mattman wouldn't put in that much effort. Now add any music or audio, and you should be able to export the video. Hope this helped you bros. Remember to like and subscribe to Edward. This is the final video.
Hello subscribers, it is Mattman 2230 back yet again with another video. Today could be your lucky day, as I'm doing another giveaway video after seeing all of the positive support out there. Keep it up, Mattman Army. The prize for this giveaway is a little different than your standard Rocket League giveaway or anything like that. Instead, one lucky subscriber will get to spend some alone time with yours truly tonight if you catch my drift, wink wink. For those of you out there who still aren't following, the winner will get one night free of charge to mingle with me. Bow chicka. Wow, wow. All right, let's give this wheel a spin. Round and round the wheel goes. Who it will land on, nobody knows. Well, would you look at that? Congratulations to Brandon the boy. You have won tonight's giveaway. If you could just leave a comment down with your Roblox account, I will contact you on there and discuss your winnings further. Notices bulge. Subscribe to me for more giveaways. Mattman 222232 out.